Today we are going to learn a program. What is a program? Program is find the number of occurrence of a particular word in a text file. I have sent you 3 programs and I told you to solve that one. The previous 2 I have sent you the solve. This is the third one. What we are going to do with this program? We are going to find the number of occurrence of a particular word in a text file. Suppose apple. In a text file, how many times apple is going to be appeared, that we are going to find out. So what we have done, the first line, I have opened the file in the read mode. The name of the file is apple.txt and it will be open in the read mode, and we are going to create an object of the file as an f1. Now wd, what is it? Here we are going to take the input of the word which we are going to search. Fine. K, counter variable, which will going to count the number of occurrence of that particular word. Now what we have done, we are starting the for loop. For line is a variable in f1. Fine. W is equal to line dot split. Now what is the function of the split? Split is the function. It is an system defined function. Now split will divide the entire file and store it in a list called W as a list. This line is not required, that print W, this line is required for this program, but to show you I have written this line. Suppose in my file what I have written, split function will split it into the words and it will store as a list in the W. I am running the program, you are able to understand this one. Suppose search, they have told I have entered a word, I have written the things. See this one, this is the content of the W. A boy is playing, there is a playground. These are the lines, and that lines are going to be separated as a words and store it in a list. So this is the function of the split. Now this line is actually, it has to show you this one, I have print W I have written. So this line is not required, so I am going to make it a command. So it will be a comment, it will not going to be worked. Now what I have done, for I in W, how many words are there? If I is equal to WD, what is the WD? Where I have taken the word which is going to be searched. If the word has been found, so what will going to be happen? The counter variable is going to be incremented by 1 and then I am going to print the K. Understand this one, one thing is very important, the split function. What it will do? It will split the content of the text file into a words and store it in a list, in form of list. That I have shown you like this way. Fine. So we don't require this line, so we can delete that one. I have written this one to show you the things. Now for I in W, how many words are there? Up to the last word in a list, the for loop will go on. Now if I is equal to W, if the content of the list is equal to WD, means which word I have entered over there, which word is going to be searched, then the counter variable is going to be incremented and then the print K. Thank you very much.